Page 29, Bobcat Boogie. Now we get a boogie woogie. They talk about boogie woogie up above. The thing about boogie woogies is you'll pretty much always find some sort of a set pattern in the left hand that repeats over and over. And there's a lot of different patterns for boogie woogies, and this is one of them. If you want to improvise, this is one of the patterns you can use. And just watch this carefully. C, D sharp, E, and it's just over and over. And then in the second line, last measure, you're coming up to here. Then back down. Then the last line, you come up to here for one measure. Then down. And then finally back. A boogie woogie uses the primary chords, is what I'm getting at. The 1, the 4, and the 5, 7 chords. I don't know if Schaum teaches those or not. Most of the other method books do. Now what we're doing is these. This is the 1 chord. I mean, it's a variation of it. The chord is here. We stuck in an extra note. And then the 4 chord is here. That's the last measure, second line. And then back to the 1 chord, and then the last line is the 5 chord, 4 chord, and 1 chord. That's the pattern. Then the right hand can do whatever on it. And in this case, it's here, it's 8th notes. And it just kind of follows. It's just a fun thing to do. Watch the accidentals. Last line here. 2-1. We got some staccatos in there. It's a really neat piece to play. The dynamics at the beginning is loud. However, when the melody comes in, it takes over the loud, and the left hand has to drop down real quick. So. Right hand, the last note, those two, the 8th note and half note are tied, so you just play it and hang on to it. So, just count it out really, really slowly. You should be fine with it. Jocoso means in a happy speed, and how fast that is up to you. Depends on how happy you feel and how many drinks you've had. But it's just, they say loud. I don't really agree with the loud. It should be. You get the idea, I hope.